Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto pasta. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite pasta, a 6-ounce jar of ready-made pesto, and any optional additions like cherry tomatoes or fresh basil. This method is super quick and perfect for a weeknight meal, taking less than 20 minutes from start to finish. Now, let's cook the pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Add your pasta and cook it according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water. It's a secret ingredient for a creamy sauce. With your pasta drained, return it to the warm pot. Now, it's time for the star of the show, the pesto. Add the entire 6-ounce jar of ready-made pesto directly to the hot pasta. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring every piece of pasta is beautifully coated. If the sauce seems too thick, add a tablespoon or 2 of that reserved pasta water until it reaches your desired creaminess. Your delicious pesto pasta is ready. Serve it immediately in warm bowls. For an extra touch, sprinkle some freshly grated Parmesan cheese over the top or add a few fresh basil leaves. Have cherry tomatoes also make a wonderful addition, adding a pop of color and sweetness. This simple, flavorful meal is perfect for any occasion and takes less than 20 minutes to prepare.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.